guys, it's Miss Megby here. Today we're going to be looking at the GCSE 2019 Paper 2 calculator. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Please like the video and hit the bell notification if you feel that this video is benefiting you. I'm going to be walking through the paper, showing you how to answer the question, showing you how to use a calculator effectively. So if you feel that this is something that will benefit in you, please continue to watch the video. And with that said, let's get to it. The pie chart gives information about the colour of each car in a car park. There are 135 black cars in the car park. Work out the number of white cars in the car park. So 135 represents 90 degrees. You can see that here. So we're going to work out how many cars 1 degree represents. From 90 to 1, you're going to divide by 90. I'm just going to squeeze that in there, divide by 90. So I need to divide 135 by 90 to work out how much 1 degree represents. 135 divided by 90 is 1.5. So 1 degree represents 1.5. So white is 80 degrees. From 1 to 80, you need to multiply by 80. So you need to multiply 1.5 by 80 to work out how many white cars there are. 1.5 multiplied by 80 is equal to 120. So there are 120 cars, white cars, in the car park. There are 50 grey cars in the car park. A car in the car park is picked at random. Find the probability that this car is grey. So 1 degree, remember, represents 1.5. So 360 degrees is everything in the car park. You would need to do 1.5 multiplied by 360 degrees. Just going to demonstrate why. So from 1 to 360, you're multiplying by 360. So you need to multiply this by 360 as well. 1.5 multiplied by 360 is 540 cars in the car park in total. So if there are 50 grey cars, then the probability of a grey car being picked at random is 50 divided by 540. You can cancel that down to 5 over 54. That would be your final solution because you cannot cancel that down any further. If you're unsure, you can always type 50 divided by 540 in your calculator. If you have a scientific calculator, it will convert it for you to the simplest fraction. 60 people are asked if they prefer to text or to email their friends. 38 of the people are women and the rest are men. 15 of the men prefer to email their friends. 60% of the people prefer to text their friends. Complete the frequency tree for this information. So we're starting with 60 people in total, which is represented here. So 38 of the people are women and the rest are men. So you need to do 60 take away 38. So type that in, 60 take away 38. So 38 are women and 22 are men. So you'd write 22 there and 38 in here. 15 of the men prefer to email their friends. So 15 of the men, so you need to do 22 take away 15. 22 take away 15 in your calculator. Prefer to email their friends. So you're gonna put 15 in here and 7 in there. Then 60% of the people prefer to text their friends. So 60% prefer to text their friends. So these two must be 60% of 60. So 60% of 60. So to type that in your calculator, you can do 60 divided 100. 60 divided 100, which is 0.6. Then multiply that by 60, which is 36. So that means total number of people who prefer to text add up to 36. We've already got a 7 in here, So you need to take 7 away from 36, which is 29. And then to find this last bit, you need to do 38, take away 29, which is 9. And yep, that completes it. That's 5 marks. So there's a lot of marks there. So be sure to take your time in answering this question. The incomplete table gives some information about the lengths of the planks of wood in Ben's workshop. So we have length of plank, number of planks. The total length of these planks is 92 meters. Work out the number of planks of length 2 meters in Ben's workshop. So 92. So you need to add 5 and 8 and 14 and 10. And then take it away from 92. 5 and 8 and 14 and 10 equals 37. And then 92 take away 37, which is 55. Rachel, Samina and Tom share £600 between them. Rachel gets 2/5 of the 600. Samina gets 1/4 of the money that's left over. Tom gets the rest of the money. Tom says, I would have got more money if we had shared 600 equally between us. Is Tom correct? You must show how you got your answer. To work out 2/5 of 600, you do 2 divided by 5 equals 0.4, multiplied by 600 is £240. So you need to do 600 take away £240 to work out how much is left over. 600 take away £240 is £360. So I'm just going to write what we've worked out so far. 2/5 of 600 is £240. We did 600 take away £240, which is 360. So you need to work out 1/4 of £360. So you would do 1 divided by 4, 1 divided by 4, and then multiply that by 360 to work that out. So which is £90. So Rachel gets this much, Samina gets this much, and then Tom gets the rest of the money. So we've got 240 plus £90, which is £330, and then take that away from 600 to find out how much Tom gets. Tom gets £270, and then he says, I would have got more money if we had shared £600 equally between us. So there are 3 of them. So if you share 600 equally between them, 600 divided by 3 is 200. So no. So is Tom correct? You must show your working and you must answer finally yes or no.